welcome to Travels with Thomas. Today we're in the South Wales Aviation Museum and look at all these planes and helicopters. They are so cool. Let's go inside. So we're inside and look at all these planes. They are so cool. It's really nice, and look at the wings as well. So let's go and explore. Look at this Navy helicopter. Let's go inside. So, let's have a look. Wow, look at all this. That is so cool. It's really big, and there's lots of fins in there. There's a sign. So cool. Let's have a look at some more planes. Look how little this plane is. It's so cute, and it's really, and the wings are big as well. Super big. So let's have a look at some more planes. So this is a Phantom. Look how big that is. You can sit in it as well. It's so cool. Right, see, let's look at some more planes. Look at this Royal Navy helicopter. Let's go inside. Oh, you're gonna love it when you go in this. It's huge. Let's climb up the steps and look at this. It is so huge. There's seats, there's a chair there, and a few other things as well. That is so cool. Let's have a look over here. This must be where the driver sits. That is really cool. And there he is. He must be driving the helicopter. So cool. Right, let's have a look at more planes and helicopters. Right, so we had found a red arrow. How cool is that? And they do like a display and they go up in the sky. That is so cool. Right, let's look at some more planes and helicopters. Let's get in this airplane. Let's go and have a look. We'll climb up the steps and we'll see how big it is. Let's have a look. Woo! This is a really nice airplane. There's a seat. That might be where the driver sits in there. That is really cool. And these are all the passenger seats. Wow. This is really cool. This is the best airplane I've ever been in. So let me have a sit down and see how comfortable it is. Ooh, it's really comfortable. And now we'll wait for the plane to take off and it'll go whoosh up into the sky. Right, let's have a look at some more planes and helicopters. How big this place is! It's really huge. There's lots of airplanes, there's lots of helicopters. They are everywhere. Look, let's look at some more. This is cool, but not very comfortable. Look at this in here. This is like a map reading plane. It's so big, and that must be where the driver sits over there. And there's chairs where people can read the maps. This plane is the coolest plane I have ever seen. So huge. So let's have a look at more planes and helicopters. I'm the pilot in the Airbus, Oliver's the co-pilot, and Ashley is doing the controls. It is so cool. It's the biggest plane ever. Right, so let's have a look at more planes and helicopters. Wow, look at these exhibition rooms. They're really cool. They're so big and there's little stuff. There's houses and trains and planes, helicopters and so much more. It's so cool. Right, let's look at some more. So we had a beautiful time in the South Wales Aviation Museum. We looked at all the planes and all the helicopters inside and even the outside as well. It was so cool. So thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share my videos for more adventures in Trouser Thomas. See you in the next video. Goodbye.